Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Asana Cloud account, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. Enter your email address associated with your Asana account in the designated field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Asana. Open the email and locate the verification link included in the message. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. You will be redirected back to the Asana login page. Now, enter your password in the password field. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Account or Profile in the Settings menu. Verify that your email address shows a verified status next to it. If it is not verified, repeat the email verification process. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. To do this, select the Security tab in your account settings. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your mobile device. Once enabled, you will enhance the security of your Asana account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Asana Help Center for troubleshooting tips. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Asana Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.